Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Lauren. It's me again, but this time will be in English version. So practically in MY Live Together, we will have three types of language, which is Mandarin, Bahasa Melayu, and also English. Okay, so right now I actually will demonstrate this product and also introduce to you guys this product in English. Okay, so today I'm going to introduce you Riino R8 Cyclone Cordless Vacuum. Okay, so basically this vacuum is very practical, convenient. First thing what I like about this product is cordless, without wiring. Okay, so this is the main frame of the body. Okay, the main frame of the body is consists of battery at the back. Okay, the motor is in the middle. Okay, the container of the dust. Okay, and the switch. Okay, so when actually the products come with basically this one is been dismantled from the body. Okay, this is the actual motor. Okay, and each of the container they actually have two filter. Okay, one is like this filter, charcoal filter. Second will be this metal filter. So basically, these two filter is actually you can washable. Okay, you can wash by water, normal waters, and then you actually make it dry. Once it's dry, you actually can just install it up. So basically each of the part, they actually have a lock system. So once you lock, it cannot be removed. Okay? And then this one also, they have a lock system here. So lock system, once you lock, it's actually everything is set. So when actually you try to install these two things, it's actually clockwise. So you put here, so you can see there's two sides. So once you try to push, tuck, that means with the tuck sound, that means it's locked already. Okay, so each side of this product consists with three type of head extension, which is these two and this one. Total is three. Okay, and plus with an extension metal. And the lastly will be the charger port. Okay, so right now I'm going to demonstrate you the strength of the vacuum. Okay, so this vacuum, cordless vacuum, is very convenient. Plus that it comes with the strength of 2,200 watt. Okay, and actually for the charging period of this battery is for full is 4 hours. So they got two types of speed. Okay, so let me demonstrate the first speed for you to listen. So you try to listen the sound. Okay, so you listen the sound. Okay, second speed.